The Exter comes with a sunroof on the higher end variants, and it's a convenience feature. Basically, it adds ambience to the cabin, adds fresh air when your car is parked in a hot space, and it also lets in light with the sunroof shade off. The sunroof glass is tinted, and these are the controls on the front cabin light. Now, if you push this button towards the aft, it will open the glass. And if you push it to the forward, it will close it. Now, with the glass completely open, you get an ample amount of light and air inside the cabin. However, please note that you're not supposed to drive with the sunroof open for a longer duration, especially if it is prone to dust and dirt where you drive, because ultimately what is happening is these are the channels through which water would seep inside, and there is a provision for the water to drain through this B pillar, that is through the pillar between the front and rear doors. So in case your channel gets clogged with say leaves, dust and debris, there's a good chance that the water will seep into the headliner, and that is going to wreck your headliner. So I suggest please use the sunroof judiciously. Please do not let your kids put their head out of the sunroof while traveling, and please open it when absolutely necessary. It's good to have it open when you want a good drive and you want to let in fresh air, you want to see the stars in the night, but please don't let your kids jut their head out. And please do not drive for a longer duration with the sunroof open, because like I mentioned, dust and debris can get into the channels, it can clog the waterways, and that can create problems in the long run. Now, this is a insect deflector. Basically, whatever insects are coming, it will get deflected by this small deflector, insect and wind deflector. And similarly, you also have one more function, the tilt function. Let me show you that. Now, when you want to close the sunroof, what you need to do is push this button on the cabin light towards the front. So now the sunroof is closed, right? You can see that it is closed now. And when you press this button, it will tilt the sunroof. You see that? So when I press this button here, it will tilt the sunroof at the rear. So this is effective in venting out all the warm air when your car is parked under the hot sun for a longer duration. So you can quickly do that, and you can see that rather than opening the sunroof completely, what it does is it gives you a very slight opening at the rear. So this will vent out all the heat trapped inside the car, because when you park your car under the hot sun, what happens is it becomes a greenhouse. It traps the hot air inside. So to quickly vent it out, you can either tilt the sunroof like this, or you can open it completely. So that is as far as the tilt function of the sunroof is concerned. To close the sunroof again, you can push the button towards the front. So that is as far as the sunroof in the Exter is concerned.